Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. Yeah, my name is Josiah and I'm a software engineer with over 13 years of experience. I'm going to talk about why I stopped trading Forex as a software engineer. I started learning Forex in 2013, sorry, not 2013, 2021, where I enrolled in a mentorship class from Jeffrey Benson, um, 6 months course. After doing my course, I actually started, self-learning and put it that way. So I self-learned for the last 3 years thereabout. So during this period, I also, take live trades and also I've been exposed to several market conditions and seeing all the happenings in the market. So actually stopped trading forex because of two things, right? One of them is time. The second one is capital flow, right? Income or capital, right? So time. Um, Forex trading as a beginner forex trader requires a lot of input of your time, right? You need several hours in a day to monitor how the market is moving and to monitor what is happening in the market, right? Either you're watching your chart or you're looking at the news. Um, you're just trying to find out or trying to get an edge in the market, right? So this is one of the reasons why I stopped because I need time to focus on looking for job, you know, trying to improve my knowledge in software engineering, right? Trying to do several interviews, several assessment tests, and all those stuff. So, why am I looking for job? I actually lost my job about last year around October. So, this has been quite difficult for me and has actually caused my income to depreciate, my cash flow to depreciate, and that's why I said two things, right? Time and your capital, your income. So this has been why I stopped trading forex basically because I need time to get a new job. I need to learn a lot. I need to keep myself abreast with what's happening in the technology industry. I need to hit let code. I need to do some code signals assessment. I need to to do some interview assessment. Several things, right? And I cannot do all this still trade forex. It's difficult, right? In fact, I even made up my mind that since I'm not getting additional income, right, I have to stop, right? Because trading forex without an income, it's disastrous for anyone, right? Because you end up making the wrong decision. You take the wrong trade, you make the wrong decision, you end up being greedy in quote, right? Because trade that you're supposed to take that will give you 1 to 2 weeks reward, you end up leaving this trade to you know to hit your stop loss. And sometimes you even remove your stop loss because of greed, right? Because you think that, oh, this trade is a winning trade. It affects your psychology, right? So these are the reason why I stopped trading because I see myself taking bad trades. I see myself holding trades that I'm not supposed to hold. I see myself, pushing my take profits level because I just want to meet ends meet, right? I just want to get more money because there's no other place where the money is coming out from, right? I just have to get more money, right? Because you see yourself trading with, let's say, you have your forex capital is $100, right? You end up being greedy. You're trying to see how you can get 100% of your $100, right? Rather than just hitting 20% or 10%, right? You end up losing either all the $100 or you end up losing half of it. So for anyone trading forex and still struggling, this might just be the reason, right? You don't have enough capital flow, right? So you end up being greedy in quotes. You want to hit the whole money at once. You want to, to buy the Lamborghini. You want to buy the Ferrari and all those stuff, right? So I'm a good trader. I'm a professional trader. I'm 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 one of the best trader out there, right? But at this point, I have to stop trading. Except maybe somebody out there wants to fund my trade, right? Then I can look into um, starting to, to I can start considering, coming back into the forex market. But for now, this is a goodbye for me trading forex, right? Um, Going forward, this channel will not be all about forex trading anymore. Although I just have few videos that talks about forex trading, but I tend to, to make it more broader, to make it open for my daily activities, what I'm doing, the challenges I'm facing. Talk about several things happening even while I'm looking for job. How to get good deals, how to get better job offers. Things like that. It will be open for for everything, anything I think I want to say, or the ideas that comes into my head. Things like that. So um, for all those who are out there, considering quitting forex trading should be the last thing in your agenda, right? Although I've quitted forex trading, right? But for you, you should keep at it. I didn't regret, or I'm not regretting, spending 3.5 years of my life, trading forex. It's one of the best things that I've done, right? The knowledge I've the knowledge I've gained is still with me, right? I can still go back to forex trading, because I see forex trading as a retirement path for me, right? Maybe down the line in the future, I could just retire trading forex, right? So I can still go back to it. So if you 1 year, 2 years, and things are very difficult, and you feel like, oh, you need to quit forex trading, don't quit forex trading because you are making losses at this point, right? I didn't quit because I'm making losses. No, I quitted because I don't have enough capital flow to sustain my trading, right? So that's why I'm quitting. So I didn't quit because I'm taking loss. No, taking loss is part of forex trading. You have to take loss to learn. You have to take loss to gain experience so that you will not do it again, right? You have to take loss to know why you take loss so that you will not do it again, to gain experience, right? So forex trading, you need a lot of losses, right, to be able to trade forex, to be able to become a better trader in forex, right? So enough of the advice, right? I know you guys already have mentors and already in mentorship programs and all that stuff. So going forward, I plan to make my life better. Even if I don't trade forex now, it's something I would like to do in the future, right? Because it's a path to financial freedom. When you become a successful trader, you know, um, the world, you become limitless, right? You become so much limitless because you know money, you have capital, you can quickly just go to the market and just grab money from there and do whatever you want to do. But there's a level that you need to get to. There's a level that every forex trader need to get to be able to attain that point of financial freedom, right? Even seasoned traders, professional traders, they still lose money, they still lose trade. So don't, if you are a losing trader thinking that okay, this video is about I quit forex trading because I'm losing trade, I'm losing a lot of trade. I lost, maybe I lost $100. I lost, yeah, my biggest loss in forex trade is around $6,000. Yeah, around $6,000. So and my biggest profit so far has not been up to $6,000. Yeah, but I think I've made consistent profits, consistent progress. Yeah, even if it's not like, um, let me see, even if it's not a one-time sum, right? At least putting all of them together, it has been over $10,000 profit, right? So I've made some good money trading forex, right? So it's something that I want to go back in if I have the privilege, or when I have the privilege to do so, right? So what next? So what next is um I'm open to anything. I'm open to, right now I'm I'm actively looking for, employment opportunities. So if you're out there, um you have room, you have space, you have how do you put it? You have a open position in your company, right? You have vacancy in your place of work. You can reach out to me if you wish to, right? Check out my biography. Check me on GitHub, things like that. So you can even message me if you want to learn forex trading, right? I could put you through. You can chat me up if if you want to encourage me or advise me or whatever you feel like, you know that would be good for me at this point in my life, right? You can just hit me up. I'm open to criticism. I'm open to, to becoming a better person. I'm open to progress, right? So yeah, so going for this channel will be for all things encompassing forex trading, right? And anything I share on this channel is solely my own idea, my own thoughts, right? So I think, don't take my word for it, right? Make your research, and choose the right idea or advice for yourself, right? So thank you guys for tuning into my channel. If you've not liked, kindly give me a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed, please do subscribe, because I'm gonna be sharing a lot of information going forward, right? A lot of information about technology, about forex trading, about life, you know, about so many things. I think that you know people need to hear, and yeah, I think that's all. So thank you guys for watching. Until the next time, bye.